family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. My channel is about DIY, natural hair, and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. If you love this video, can you please give it a thumbs up? It will really help my video in the YouTube algorithm. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys Sonia full summer wash day routine from start to end. As you guys can see, her hair needs a lot of love and attention right now. She's been going into the pool every day, even though we have pool cover, but some of the pool water still got into her hair. So I'm going to be doing her complete summer wash day routine for you guys using all my DIY treatment. I will first pre-poo her hair, and then I will shampoo her hair, deep condition her hair, and then moisturize and throw her hair back in braids. So keep on watching. Gather all of our wash day treatment together. This is my carrot growth oil. I'm going to be using it along with her pre-poo treatment. After that, I will be using my shampoo on her, and then I also got her deep condition ready, and then I also got my tea solution, which I will be using as a pre-poo treatment or as her leave-in treatment. So I'm now just going to first start up with her pre-poo treatment, the oil, and the cream. We are done with her entire pre-poo treatment. This is how much hair that she lost. And then we use majority of the solution for extra slip. And then I also use my fingers to detangle her hair first, and then I went in with the wide tooth comb and we use all of the treatment. I'm now just going to rinse it out, and then I will come back for also start her shampoo treatment. Rinsing out her pre-poo treatment, her hair feels very soft, very moisturized. All of those tangles are out. I'm now just going to go in with our shampoo while her hair is still wet. So then I will just twist this section up and move to the next section. I'm also putting the shampoo on her hair because I haven't shampooed her hair for a while now. And I also want to get rid of all of the pool chemical from her hair. Normally when I'm shampooing her hair, I would just focus the shampoo on her scalp and then just bring it down her hair shaft. But I need to make sure that I'm getting all the chemical off. So I'm also adding some shampoo on the strands of her hair. Okay, so I'm done applying the shampoo to her entire hair. I'm now just going to rinse it out, and then I will come back for us to go in with her deep condition treatment. This is how her hair is looking after we are done rinsing out the shampoo treatment. Her curls are all clumped together, and we only did the pre-poo treatment and the shampoo treatment. I'm now coming to apply the deep condition to her hair. I'm done applying the deep condition treatment to her entire hair. She is going to sit under the steamer for 20 minutes. Links to all of the DIY treatment that I use will be down in the description box. We are done with our steaming treatment. We're just going to leave the deep condition in for an hour. And then after, I will go and rinse it out and moisturize her hair and throw it in braids. Put your hair under the water. Family, so this is the end of Sonia wash day routine. I just throw her hair into 3 big braids using my S Secrets Growth Oil, a leave-in treatment, and a butter. Now I'm going to keep her hair in these braids until after 2 or 3 days, and then I will take it down and re-moisturize it. So this is her full wash day routine. If you love this video, please do not forget to give us a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Bye bye. I forget to say this in most of my video, but you can also find me on Instagram at selinazinchuk. I started posting there a little bit regularly now. And then also my business page at S Secrets 2018. We post shorter video of our DIY treatment. So try and follow us there too. And thank you for that.